It's a cool one in.
Do you just have to spam? Yeah, but I need to deploy it before everyone else. Otherwise, I don't get my points. Oh, this is harsh. The first time I get a helicopter, I can't even call it in.
No, I died.
Oh, this is harsh, man. Shoot our helicopter. Oh, I'm gonna lose. Come on, all I want is my helicopter. Oh, this is harsh,
Just
man.
gone down. Here we go. It's going down. You're
Yeah,
just
but
going down. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Keep hitting it, keep hitting it. Now. Oh.
Oh, this is ridiculous, man. If I don't get the helicopter, that's it. I'm fucked. Yeah, fucking one more point. I'm dead, yeah, and I don't get my helicopter. Fuck off! Oh, that's not even funny, man. I'm fucked off. I'm rage quitting. How long does it take to get a helicopter?
7 kills.
I've got to actually see.
Do you want to go on a pro mod server?
Wait. Chopper inbound. Kill 7 and call in a chopper. I didn't get it. Fuck off! I'm not even being funny. I'm out of this game. I'm quitting, man. Allow that. The first time I got 7 kills yet, and it just fucks me over. Oh, that's not even funny, man. Oh, that's not even funny.
Oh. Oh, I was joining.
How did you call that chopper and I spammed it? Do you just meant a fucking hole? Oh, I'm going, man. I'm pissed off about that.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, rage quit. That's actually funny, man.
Oh man.
Over a helicopter.
We was trying not to get it anyway.